Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today, I have a huge Revlon giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 5 Revlon hair tools. Oh my god. Okay, so Revlon was kind enough to send me all these hair tools to give away to you guys. I'm going to be talking more about the giveaway later, so stay tuned. As you guys can see, my hair is straight and I actually did a blowout. I straightened it a little bit because I want to create some really nice curls with this hair tool. This is my first time trying this hair tool, so I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Revlon just sent me all these products to try out and give away to you guys, so thank you so much, Revlon. I can't believe that they sent me all this for you guys. Like, that is just crazy. So this curling iron is a little bit over 1 inch, so you are going to get a little bit of a bigger curl, which I like. This retails for about $30, so I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. By the way, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. I want to get to 100k subscribers. That's like my goal. Make sure that you stay tuned because I do have a lot of exciting videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Also, if you want to enter the giveaway, you do have to subscribe to the channel, so you might as well do that now. So go ahead and subscribe. Also, follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on YouTube, so go ahead and check out my Instagram. Show some love. Let's turn this on. So this does have a pretty long cord, which I appreciate a lot because it comes in handy. I'm gonna do 325. So let's do 325. It's warming up because it's blinking, so let's give it a couple of minutes. I honestly prefer curling wands because it's just easier for me. I just wrap my hair around the wands and I don't really have to worry about using the clamp. But we're gonna try it today with this, with the clamp. I'm gonna grab a section. I'm just gonna start twisting it up. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there for a couple of seconds, maybe like 10 seconds. I'm gonna release the curl. Ooh, nice. That's very pretty. Okay, so it's more like a loose curl, but what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put the heat setting up to 400. I hope that's not too much, but I think 400 is going to be perfect for me. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there for like 10 seconds and then let's see what type of curl we can get. Okay, so I'm going to release the curl. Nice. That's a very pretty curl. Okay, so the only thing that I don't love about the heat setting 400 degrees Fahrenheit is that you do feel a lot of smoke coming out of the hair tool. I never really love that. I'm just gonna leave it like that because I do feel like I'm already getting very loose curls. So if I put the heat setting down, then it's gonna be like even more loose, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna leave it in the heat setting 400. I'm going to keep curling my hair. I'm going to try to use this as a curling wand. So I'm going to wrap the hair around the barrel. I'm like more used to this than the clamp. So let's see how the curl turns out. Okay. My hair got stuck with the clamp. But here's the curl. I actually like how that looks even better, so I might just do all my hair like that, like using it as a curling wand. That's a very pretty curl. Okay, I'm gonna release the curl. Very nice. It kind of looks like the Hollywood waves. So I am liking it. The only thing that I'm not liking about this is that my hair keeps getting like stuck with this, so I might have to take this off. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to take this off so I can just use it as a wand. I'm not really into curling irons. I don't love the clamp. I'm just kind of not used to it. Okay guys, so I took off the clamp. It took me quite some time, honestly. I prefer curling wands over curling irons, so I just took it off and now I have a curling wand. So there you go. So as you can see, now I can just grab the hair tool, wrap my hair around it, leave it there for a couple of seconds, and then I just release the curl. That's a beautiful curl. Something else that you can do is that when you release the curl, you can kind of leave the curl like this in your hands for a couple of seconds so that the curl can kind of like set, and then you just let it fall. I will say $30 for the type of curls that I'm getting is pretty good. I don't think that's expensive at all. I think that's actually a very nice price for a hair tool. I'm almost done with this side. Then I'm gonna actually time the other side so that you guys can kind of have an idea of how long it took me to curl all my hair. Okay, so here's this side. I actually really like these curls. Like, they look amazing. This is what my hair is looking like. It's some really nice bouncy curls. So I'm gonna clip my hair back just a little bit. I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna start the timer right now, and let's do this. Alright guys, I'm back and I am all done. So it only took me, guys, 10 minutes to do this side of my hair. As you can see, it looks super shiny, bouncy. So yeah, only 10 minutes to do this side. So that means that it could only maybe take me about 20-25 minutes max to do all my hair, which is actually not bad at all. I'm gonna run my fingers through my hair just to kind of create a more natural look. So this is what it looks like. I actually really like that. I'm going to use my Julie brush, shop down below, you already know. I'm going to brush my hair to kind of loosen up the curls a little bit more. I feel like it looks even more elegant when you do that. As you can see, it looks very shiny, very bouncy. I'm gonna keep doing that to all my hair. So yeah, you can use this brush on wet hair to detangle your hair, and then also on dry hair to kind of like loosen up curls and give you that like very elegant Hollywood look. I'm gonna use the brush on this side too, might as well, so everything looks about the same. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. I actually really like it. It's super shiny, bouncy, and it looks like very elegant. I'm gonna link all the products I mentioned today down below in the description box, so go check them out. So for you to win one of these hair tools, all you have to do is, number one, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed already. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here, so go ahead and check out my Instagram. Follow me. I'm going to be DMing the winner of the giveaway on Instagram. So check your DMs. I'm going to be DMing 5 of you, so stay tuned. There's going to be 5 winners in this giveaway. So yeah, follow my Instagram and comment down below your Instagram and comment down below which hair tool you would like to win. So I have 2 Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizers. I have one of the curling irons that I just tried out, a brand new one of course. So if you liked how this tool worked on my hair, if you liked the curls, if you want to enter the giveaway for this hair tool, let me know. Comment down below. And then I have 2 flat irons. So this is an extra large plate, and then this is a regular 1-inch plate. So yeah, comment down below which one you want. You can even just comment down below if you don't mind which one you get. Just comment down below flat iron for examples. Yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enter the giveaway because I just can't wait to give away some of these hair tools to you guys. Revlon hair tools are amazing. I've used the Revlon hair tools for a while now. They are so good quality and very affordable. I'm going to link down below some of the videos that I have filmed already using other Revlon hair tools. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.